Hi Simple Life Ministry, Lorna here, back at you with another video. Today I'm coming to you with a quick, simple video, and it's about a dessert. Desserts are snack, but it's going to be a nut bar. So let's go right into it. So today, here we have the pomegranate. What's that, Daddy? Cranberry. We have cranberry here, pumpkin seed, sunflower seeds, and some dried coconut flakes. So in that now, family, I'm going to go ahead and put 2 teaspoons of, as you can see, my vanilla is finished. I started a new bottle and it's almost done. I'm a vanilla addict. I love vanilla. So I'm going to be putting here 2 teaspoons vanilla. You can put whatever nut you have. I love cranberries, so almost everything I put cranberry. This is half a teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. So half a teaspoon there. It really gives it a nice flavor. If you don't want, you could put like a quarter teaspoon. And then I have about 7 tablespoons of maple syrup. I'm putting right there. And here I have half a cup of almond butter. So half cup of almond butter. And we're just gonna pour it in. This almond butter is warm. I just finished making it from scratch. So if your almond butter was in the fridge, then take it out and warm it up, because you want it to be workable. So here now, I have all of that in here. I have the maple syrup, the almond butter, the nuts of your choice, and the salt. And here is the thing. I just made the almond butter. So that to clean out after. So you just go on in, family, and mix it up. Okay. This could be done on the stove, but I didn't want to put it on the stove just now, because trying to find a simpler way to do it. The vanilla and the salt is what's gonna give it the flavor. You could use sugar, but I believe the maple syrup will make it taste better, give it a different flavor. I like the flavor of maple syrup with the nuts. So again, if you have honey, you can use honey, and whatever is in your kitchen, right? You go with it, and you may end up liking it more than what I am using here. So you just keep doing like this. I could have used almond nuts, but I didn't use the almond because I'm using the almond butter already. So to me, the almond butter, same nut you can use. And remember to soak your nuts overnight to activate them. Sometimes there are chemicals on them, sometimes there are things on them that if you do not soak them, they can they would say ride your stomach, but it won't sit well with you. So you get the more benefits when you soak them. So see it now, family, you see how it's all sticking and it's coming together like that. So what you do with this now, you will get something like this. This one is perfect because you want it to shape like the nut bars. So you just go ahead and you put it over there like that. Okay, that's what you want. You want it to stick together. I want to make sure I get everything out of here. Almonds are so expensive that when you make the butter, you want to get everything. Okay, let's keep that tidy there. And then you go ahead now and flatten it out to make, so it could make the shape of okay. So after you do this, family, after you make the shape that you would want, what you're going to do now is put it in the fridge. So say you're gonna want this for later or for tomorrow, you could make it overnight, shape it out, put it in the fridge, and then the fridge now is going to, I need a knife, hold on, hold on. So after you put it in the fridge, then you're gonna come out, take it out, and just cut it with the knife, because now it's going to be well formed. Right, Daddy?
Yeah, yes. It's gonna gel up.
It's gonna gel up, right, and it's gonna come together. So I'm just cutting it ahead of time because I didn't have enough to make a second batch to show you. So after it comes out the fridge now, family, you're gonna cut it like this. And if you believe that this is going to be too much of a snack, you can still go ahead and cut them like this. You understand? Just to make sure you have a smaller bite size. But it's very, very, very yummy. This one I will just do like this, and this one you do like this. You understand? And then you got it like that. Let me go ahead and try it so you can see. So good. So good. You have to give it a try, family. It's my almond butter nut bar. Amazing. Amazingly good. You don't even have to put it in the fridge to have it gel up. You can just go ahead and just eat it right now. So good. And so I don't know if it's because I just made the almond butter to use, and I'm tasting the coconut flakes in it, and the cranberry. Oh man. So family, it's my pleasure to come on here and show you this recipe. Please try it and leave you all comments down in the comment section. Thank you for subscribing, liking, sharing, and turning on your notification bell so you know when I come back with another video. Be blessed and bye for now.